Hi, welcome to my projectbazaar.com. Now I am going to explain project is authentication for session password using color and image. Modify title. Content access for verification key terms using biometric security. Abstract. Textual password are most common method used for authentication, but textual password are vulnerability to your dropping dictionary attack, social engineering and the social surfacing. In this process to textual password to our modify the process for to key access to the one get of words to textual password creation then. To address the problem, text can be combined with image or color to be generate the session password for the authentication. In this process, to addition for the color authentication process for the user select one type of color and that color matching to the text password for the our process. Session password can be used to only one and every time a new password generation. Fourth technique is for our proposed to generate session password using textual and color and face recognition and also voice recognition, which is a resident to the soul suffering. In this process to our proposed method to face authentication and voice authentication including for the our process. In this method to high security protecting for the our network application. This method to the file share the source to destination to the secure and shared file. In this method to source to destination both authentication all verifying the sending the file for our process. Now explain our project flow. This is for our project flow. Start. User create account. This is for user create a new account for our process. In the access create for the total user. In this text password and color password, and text and the color password is old process for the our process method. In this verify both password has been successfully connecting the another process to connector process. In this not matching to project has been exit process. Match to text and password actually equal to going to next process. In this proposed password equal to face ID and finger ID. In this face ID equal to storing for the database and finger ID has been verified for the MD5 algorithm to verifying the another process. In this both process verifying the all the information for the user information and the destination information verifying the and get the data source for the destination process. In the source to destination check for the all the information has been possible to the file has been accessed and store the user for the destination user. In the file access detail to the data information has been collecting the our process. Stop. Now execute my project. Our project application of two application. First one is authentication application, second one is receiver application. You first and the authentication application. You start the process for the start debugging button. In this process to applying the debugging button to start project or F5 to project automatically run. The F5 click to project automatically run. The executing for the our project. The project has been executed. This is for our main page. If your new user created means creating a new user. So new user created to user information, enter the information. If example money 23, gender is male, address is West Street, mail ID is money123 at gmail.com. Mobile number is 9087654321. So username is money123 and password to 12345. Street Madurai, Tamil Nadu, and save details button to data has been saved successfully. Then click OK. Then click next process. This is text authentication process. In this process to user enter the text process. You click the row wise. First click the enter the process. If click example for you enter your process to E to chart 1 and select that row for select the one number of 7 to click chart 2. Search process to your O equal to your enter your process. Then click the text password for O. Then click the next button to click process. Data has been stored successfully. Then click the any type of one color. The red color to enter a text equal to T. Then update process. So update to success process. Then click the next status. This is user authentication face ID and finger ID. You select the face ID for user state. So you select the face ID to, you select the one type of face ID to select one face ID, then click the voice ID to select for your voice ID. So voice to select one type of voice ID, then click the save to data save. So data save successfully, then click the next process. This process to upload the process. So upload button, click to data has been upload process. So username is money 123 and the password is 12345. Then click authentication process. In this process to enter your password is O, then your row entering for process E K, click to chart 1 and 7 click to chart 2, refresh for process. Your has been text password is O, then click the authentication process, automatically run. This is color text for your password. This enter your own type of color and enter your text password to authentication. This is authentication successfully. Then click the one type of face ID to searching for our process. So face ID selecting for our process. Your face ID to face to select one type of face and one type of ID to selecting the our voice ID. This is wave to wow voice 1. Then the check status for the our process. The calculating the face ID and also calculating the voice ID. Check status to the verifying the our user information. In this process to verifying the every security system. The face ID match for the 1000 something point matching found. This is for the face ID verification process. Then click the voice matching process. So voice matching process hashing method to the voice matching process hashing. This is the process for file access process for in this method. In this process to selecting a one type of file, you select the one type of file to example to selecting the authentication file, then click the text file, then click OK, then open file. This is our selecting the text file. Then receiver side to authentication process to run the our receiver side process. Now run the debug to receiver side process. So authentication process to already create here. So enter your Q1 and password is 12345, then click authentication process. This is your authentication process for, so you enter the your name is R, then first character, then P is second character, so searching for your ID, then click the authentication process. You are selecting color for red and selecting your character for R, then click authentication process. So your face ID for selecting your face ID, so face ID for same as P and voice ID equal to selecting voice ID equal to 1, then click the check status. In this process receiver side checks for our process. This is also checking for only access for the valid user. In this method to valid user accessing the filing any file, then matching point for your process to face matching and then voice matching also, then click the receiver side. So receiver button, click to the file has been sent. So data has been sent for this process. Now click the send file. So data has been sent for our process. So data has been received for our process. So data has been received. Your file has been searched for the our text file to searching the our particular part to the file has been receiving the our process. Thank you.